Recently I bought 4 freight cars from one seller on eBay, and this is the last one that needs to be refurbished. It's from 1979. It's made by Lionel. It has heat stamped graphics. Not my favorite. The lettering, the numbers are all applied in a process that melts a little bit of the plastic underneath the lettering. It's still possible to remove, it just takes a little bit more effort. The blade of a screwdriver is all that's needed to pry the body apart from the frame. These were mass-produced and meant to go together as quickly as possible on some sort of assembly line. So taking it apart is easy, and then later on putting it together should be just as easy. It will take a lot of wet sanding with 400 grit automotive sandpaper to get rid of some of that raised lettering. Most of it should disappear, but whatever's left I think will be covered by the area of the decal. Once it's clean and dry, I can take it out into the driveway and give it a fresh coat of paint. The ends of the car and the roof will be a glossy black, which I apply in several thin coats, waiting about 30-45 minutes between each coat. And then the sides, where the decals will go, they're going to be a glossy white. For this model, I decided to make a decal that just shows a few of my favorite things. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I like Matchbox, Walt Disney, Apple computers, and toy trains. And I just chose Williams electric trains instead of Lionel, even though this is a Lionel Boxcar. I chose Williams because I probably have more Williams trains than Lionel. Here's the finished Boxcar. It's meant just as a bit of an exercise for my own customizing skills, and it shows some of the interests that I have in my life. You could make one of these showing your own interests, and it wouldn't be that hard. You could do it in probably a day or so. So if I can do it, you can do it. Go out and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop.